This is Adventure Man Productions on YouTube, and these are cormorant birds. And in China, they tie a string around their neck, and the birds go in the water, grab fish, come back to the surface, and give it to the fishermen. So these are the famous cormorant birds. Somewhere in California. Adventure Man Productions has 3,000 movies in 30 countries. And I've been to the cormorants in China. They're by Guilin on the river there. And they have a lot of nice mountain ranges through there, and some dragon backbone terraced rice fields. Anyway, these are the cormorant birds somewhere in California. Adventure Man Productions, 3,000 movies in 30 countries. Dream as though you'll live forever. Live as though you'll die today. Happy trails until we meet again. It's Adventure Man Productions signing off from somewhere in California.